Physicists say the universe will likely end one day with one of these four scenarios: the Big Freeze, the Big Crunch, the Big Change, or the Big Rip. If you think scientists and theorists are only interested in uncovering the mysteries of the universe's beginning and have nothing to say about its end, you're mistaken. For each of these end-of-the-world possibilities, they have crafted complex scenarios with full details and chosen frightening names akin to the Big Bang. Of course, the end of Earth has long been predicted. With the death of the Sun, which fortunately will occur in 6 billion years, there will be no trace left of Earth. But Earth is just one planet in the solar system, and the Sun is one of hundreds of billions of stars in the galaxy amongst hundreds of billions of other galaxies in the universe. What will happen to all of these? Theorists disagree regarding the end of the universe. It is unclear whether this end will occur due to a significant and decisive event or if it will gradually happen like aging. However, our understanding of the laws of physics presents several possible options for a cosmic apocalypse, among which four scenarios have more supporters and names that correspond to the Big Bang, Big Freeze, Big Crunch, Big Change, and Big Rip. As Orson Welles said, if you're looking for a happy ending, it depends on where you stop watching this video. If you're seeking a happy, or at least open-ended, conclusion for a galactic apocalypse, stay with us until the end of the video. Heat death, contrary to its name, is not meant to be a hellfire that will someday engulf the world. What is meant by death is the temperature difference of objects. When the universe reaches the point of thermal death, the temperature of everything everywhere becomes the same, and that means nothing interesting will happen in the universe anymore. Big Crunch, or the Great Contraction, is essentially the reverse of the Big Bang phenomenon, and both are due to Einstein's general theory of relativity. According to this theory, or gravity, matter and energy cause the curvature of space and time around them. Einstein stated that all the matter and energy in the universe will determine its ultimate fate. In 1929, Edwin Hubble, the famous American astronaut and astronomer, discovered strong evidence for the expansion of the universe, which led Einstein to change his mind and call his insistence on the hypothesis of a static universe his greatest blunder. Dark energy is tearing the universe apart. Scientists still don't know the nature of this energy. However, it constitutes about 70% of the universe's energy and increases every day. This self-destructing button of the universe is called the Big Change or vacuum decay, and in a paper published in 1980, two physicists named Sidney Coleman and Frank DeLucia referred to it as the ultimate ecological catastrophe. The fourth scenario for the end of the world is popularly known as the Big Rip. In this terrifying scenario, dark energy rips apart the Milky Way galaxy, scattering all its stars. Then it's the solar system's turn to break apart, because the pull of dark energy will exceed the sun's gravitational pull on Earth. In the end, within seconds, Earth will explode. Even atoms will disintegrate, and while the universe expands at a speed greater than light, no particle will be able to interact with other particles. In this state, the universe will turn into countless lonely particles that cannot connect with anything in this strange, timeless space. So in the end, there's no reason to be concerned about the future of the universe right now. All of these events, except for the Big Change, which occurs randomly and suddenly, will take billions of years to occur. Moreover, there is no reason to worry about the future of humanity, because genetic drift will have changed our descendants so much by then that they will bear no resemblance to us today. However, if you're not interested in a tragic ending, perhaps we can at least envision an open ending for this story. Which scenario do you find more plausible for the end of the universe? Do you think humanity will find a way to escape the end of the world in a billion years?